Short video today. This is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to change the air flap which controls the air into the heater system. On the DAF, it's got a problem that it's in a place that it gets a lot of water, so they rust out really quick. I'll just show you what I mean. This is a heater flap, and as you can see, they rust out really badly. It's the only thing that stops the water getting into the heater. So if you go forward in, the last thing you want is one of these to leak and you end up with water inside your cab. So it was one of the guys in the Leyland DAF T244 Facebook page forum makes these replacements. They're made of stainless steel. So I'm going to fit this today and replace this one, so then when I go forward in, I haven't got a problem. I'll keep the water out. I'll show you when I've installed it. The flaps are held on by two M10 nuts each side. So I've got two here and I've got two here. Hopefully I can undo these. Replacing the flap should, and I say hopefully should, be fairly straightforward. Anyway, that's what happens. It's not good, is it? The actual bolt was just snapped off. Right, I think I better have a look at that. Well, welcome back. Luckily it was the only bolt that snapped, so I managed to get the other three undone. And now the flap should come off. It just means I just got to re-drill one bolt, which isn't too bad going, I suppose, on a 30-year-old truck. Well, that's the old flap out, and I've got the new flap on the bench by the side of it. I've swapped over the brackets. It was a bit more extreme than I thought, as I had to take a hacksaw to some of it just to get it off, as there was no way some of these bolts were coming off, as you can see. So all I've got to do now is fix the one that snapped off at the beginning, reassemble it, and then I'll have a working flap on my heater again. So I finished installing the heater flap. As you will remember, this bolt here snapped off. It was impossible to get out, so what I did, because it was longer than the actual plastic mounting here, I got a piece of metal, drilled it halfway through so that the bolt is the snapped off bolt is halfway through this metal plate, and then I fixed it with the bolt that was okay, so this plate is now working as a reinforcing plate along here, so this bracket can't bend because the little stud that goes into the back of here is also holding it. The other side was fine, not a problem with that side. The only thing I will have to do is these new hoses catch right on the edge of the control, as you can see. So what I will do is I'll get some plastic and cover that over and put a cable tie onto this hose. Thank you for watching. It was about an hour altogether to fit it. A very good fit it is as well. Good fabrication.